Yeah.
Right, you're going to be here, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's one good day today with telling me your name.
Maxime.
Maxime, super cool guy this one. Tell him what you're studying
Economics.
and what you're going to be when you leave.
I'm going to be a maths teacher.
Going to be a maths teacher. Very smart guy. Tell him how many languages you speak.
3.
Wow.
3.25, there you go.
You what?
3.25.
Tell him how many lessons you've had with me.
6, 7. This is probably 7, I think. Maybe 1, 2, 3. 9, 8.
Hey, you can't even. I must teach you can't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. There you go.
Right, now he's had a total of 19 and a half hours. Pretty good standard, but he went down home. And where do you live?
South London.
Took some lessons with who?
A
What
good
we watch
driving
is
instructor.
a good driving instructor, my backside. It was the year, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Had this guy purring, gas clutching. Now he lifts the other instructor in London, told him to do clutch first. So if he stalls the deer, send this video to him, yeah? If you stall the deer. Right, have you any questions?
No.
I've got one for you before we start.
Yeah.
How would you check your powered steering's working before starting a journey?
I couldn't tell you.
Oh, dude. Really?
Did I just put it all the way to the side?
Just see when you start the car, it comes light and responsive.
Yeah. Oh, it's not rigid.
You will arrive at your destination at
It's not rigid.
11:42 a.m.
So just see when I start the car, comes light and responsive. Can you tell me that? Go on, answer that.
When I start the car, it comes light and
responsive. Right, can you say that in French?
Quand j'allume la voiture,
Wow.
ça vient light. I've got to think about it.
Spanish?
Cuando aprendo el carro, viene. There you go. See, you got me under pressure. I'm struggling. I'm focused on the driving, man. You're asking me language questions, Ken.
You can speak 2.5 languages,
There you go. Yeah, we'll go.
You cannot move a car properly by doing clutch. 38 to 40 minutes depending on traffic. You're going to take in various traffic road conditions.
Yeah.
One manoeuvre you pass with the trainer, possibly the control stop. Then you will be driving independent by way of sat-nav signs. You understand that?
Yeah.
Throughout the drive, can you say that? Yeah? Throughout the drive, I like to follow the road ahead at all times unless you're directed by signs and markings, or I will ask you to turn, which I will do some good time.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Drive on when you're ready, sir. Good luck. £500 for you if you can drive safely for 40 minutes. Tell them what you're going to do with the money.
I'm going to get a new driving instructor. There you go.
Download it slow for you, sir. Right, go on. Good luck when you're ready. Turn right out here.
Right here as well.
Please, yeah. And then the sat-nav should work.
At the end of the road, turn right, St John's Road.
Turn left, please.
Oh, right, sorry.
Alright, just be cool. You've got 40 minutes up here now. We'll just be cool. Now at the end of the road, turn right, and then
turn right.
Sat-nav should work. When it's safe to do so, could you show me how you demist the back window? Minor fault number 1, Maxine. What's happened is it goes down to awareness and planning. You've blocked this entrance to these apartments to your left. Had there been a vehicle wanted to turn in there and you'd block them from entering, then you would have picked up a serious fault. Maxine's been driving about 10-15 minutes, been quite busy actually, and he hasn't put a foot wrong. I've had him pulled in a few times, the mirror works good. Pretty smooth driving from the young man, so keep it up. Could be £500 in your pocket here.
After 800 yards, turn right, white smocks.
Serious fault number one for you, Maxime. Maxime, you cheeky monkey, how can you do this? What you've done is you've just followed the white car in front through blindly. You've not bothered to check the lights. When it changed to amber, you had plenty of time to move back to the left, but you didn't check the lights. You just kept on driving, and this light is on red. Now, I've had pupils fail for the same scenario, but you'll know the lights, Maxime. White church traffic lights had pupils fail for the same fault, but Maxime was saying he never went through a red light because he's had a few lessons since then. Well, have a look at this video, Maxime, and now there's the proof that you blew the red light. What a sausage.
After 80 yards, bear left, then go right on the roundabout and take the 4th exit. Bear left, the crescent, then go right on the roundabout and take the 4th exit, A6.
Minor fault number 2, Maxine. Then what you do is you stop the car, but you don't put the clutch down. You know you've got to put the clutch down first and then brake when you're going slowly. You just braked.
91, Framwell Gate, Peth. Go right on the roundabout and take the 4th exit.
Serious fault number 2 for you, Maxine. Maxine, you turned right from the left. You know when there's no road markings and turning right, you keep that car to the right. You could see on approach where the white car was, but you just keep the car to the left. What a plonker.
Exit.
That's the end of the independent drive. I'll direct you back from here. So at the roundabout we're turning left. Maxime, you must have been looking through binoculars when you put this signal on. Look how far we are from this roundabout. If there hadn't been any double yellow lines, people would think you're pulling up on the left. Plus we've got a junction further down. I'm all for one giving early signals when you turn right, but not this early when you're turning left. I like his style here at the roundabout. He applies the parking brake and then puts it into neutral. He must be feeling really calm. And then could you pull up on the left just before the next park car? That'll do. Lovely. Right, this is your manoeuvre. I'd like to pull up alongside the car and reverse it back into a park position.
Yep.
Try to do within 2 car lengths, including your own.
right.
Happy with that?
No.
Happy
Yeah.
with that one, yeah. Minor faults 4 and 5, Maxime. Yeah, you get a minor fault for shooting backwards and forwards. I know you've done it a couple of times, but still a pass. You're making progress every time you've done it. And the minor fault was for not looking all around the car. Had there been anybody going past when you shooting forwards, I would have given you a serious fault if you not stopped. Maxime uses your own spatial awareness, which is good, but Maxime, when you start reverse backwards to correct it, you should have just full locked that wheel to the left just before it touches curb, just full lock it to the right, then straighten up. Bit far off the curb, but a few more inches and I would have given you a serious fault for that one, for being too far away from the curb. At the end of the road, turn left. Just past the lay-by. Right. How do you think you've done?
Okay, I think it could have gone a lot worse. Okay.
Have you passed the field?
I think I failed.
Why?
I think either a collection of too many minors.
You only got 5 minors.
But I've got a major.
2?
2 majors.
You went through a red traffic light? You blew a red light?
We'll still be here by tomorrow.
You would?
Yeah, I can see it was orange. In fairness.
Amber, you mean? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, when you went through, it was on red. Now, tell me what steady amber means.
Slow down and be prepared to stop.
It means you must stop unless what?
Unless you're like in the middle of the
Unless
road.
you're too close to it, or if you did stop, could cause an
Yeah.
accident. Well, there was plenty of time behind just to come back to the left. As soon as it changed to amber, you had loads of time to come back. And then you decided to carry on, and then What about 2 Colin Sweetness on red? That'll be on video, that. And what would you say was fault?
Oh, it says wrong lane. I'm not sure where that would have been.
This roundabout here. You've done well, to be fair. It wasn't that bad. You're doing gas clutch quite a few times. You do put your signal on too early for...
Yeah. Just because there was so much traffic, so I just got nothing to do.
Yeah, but people think you're pulling up if you put on too
Oh,
early.
right there.
Right, this roundabout here, you
Yeah.
turned right, 4th exit.
Yeah.
Now, you've done well here, well done. The pupils just drive out here without even looking to the left here.
Yeah.
But you checked, stopped and looked, that was all good. But you know when there's no road markings and you're turning right, where have you got to have the car?
There.
Where were you?
Yeah.
What a plonker. Oh, and there was one other thing. You were turning right at the traffic lights near the end on down at Old Albert there. You have to give way to oncoming traffic, don't you? Can you remember?
Well, I did.
I was covering both pedals. I was ready to cheer.
Yeah,
you
but that's
there.
because you don't trust me.
Yeah, but when you seen them, when you seen that car coming, I would have took my foot off the gas.
Yeah.
And just be ready, yeah. But I felt like you were just going to go around because you had to give way to them. But
Yeah.
near the end, you realising.
Yeah.
I would have just timed that. Right, have any questions before I turn that off?
No.
That wasn't bad, that, to be fair.